Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. The next title is full wave rectification. Okay, here's the title for today's lesson. Now this is the input of this circuit. As usual, we are going to look at the positive part. We have positive parts here and we have negative parts here. And this is the first half cycle, second and third half cycle. Now look at the first half cycle. So for the first half cycle, this is positive and this is negative. So current flows in this direction. So now there is a junction here. There are two possibilities, whether going straight or going this way. So as I told you, this is reverse biased. So current cannot flow that way, so current flows here. And then there's another junction here. So current will flow here and downwards. This is reverse bias in this case, for now. And then when current flows through this resistor, and then CRO will show the display of output. Okay, so this is the output for first half cycle. So you can see it is the same as the first half cycle of the input. And then the current goes on, and then it goes here. And then remember, this shows that the wire is not connected. It jumps and it crosses each other. And then now we have another junction here. So current will flow this way. Current will flow this way because it will not go back to where it comes from. Now the current will flow this direction to negative terminal of the power supply for the first half cycle. So now the circuit is complete. So now we're going to look at second half cycle, this one. So we're going to see how current flows. So in second half cycle, this is negative, this is positive. So current will flow the other direction. So current will flow from here and then here. Now there's a junction here. Current cannot flow this direction because it's reverse bias. But current will go and it will move through this resistor. So you notice that the direction is the same as the first half cycle. So that's why we are going to have the same output because of direction of current is the same. So the voltage is the same. And then current goes on, go here and back to power supply. Okay, that is the flow of current for second half cycle. So for the third half cycle, the same thing happens as the first half cycle. Then we have the next one like this. So I put blue color to show you. This one is the same as this one. Okay, now you can see here the output. However, the output is not very good because the best one is just like output of a battery. It should be a straight line like this. So we are going to do something, another modification for the circuit. Now we are going to put a capacitor across it over there. Okay, actually the same thing happens. So current will flow. Okay, let us do it for the first half cycle, this one. So current flows here and then here. But remember, some current flows through capacitor also, and then current goes back to power supply. So output, for the output display, current flows, and then while this input current increases, the capacitor is charged. Okay, for this second half cycle, current should flow backward. Okay, changed color again. So this time current flow from this direction. Okay, current flows both for capacitor and also resistor, and then it goes back to power supply here. So during this time current voltage decreases, but for the output it does not decrease significantly, but it will reduce slowly like this, because there is some charges in the capacitor and it slowly discharges, and the voltage decreases gradually, and then the capacitor is charged again during this time. So that's why we have another curve here, like this, something like this. So during this time capacitor is charged, but during this time capacitor discharges. So you can see this one, this output is almost equal to output of battery. So we have a better rectification this time.